Hello, myself Rahul Abale from Amrutwani College of Engineering Sangamner. I have completed my first assignment and now I am doing my second assignment, that is seismic design. Already I have pre-saved structure, that is 23-story structure, and I am going to design for seismic design. For that, first of all, go to define the seismic load pattern. Click on load pattern, define load pattern, then type seismic in first column. In type, click on the seismic and seismic code which is used in India, IS 1893-2002. Then click on add new load. By selecting the seismic, click on modify lateral load. In this case, we can change the direction and eccentricity for the load. For to design the seismic, we only keep the seismic load in X and Y direction. Other settings must be remain the same. The next thing is that there is also eccentricity in X direction and Y direction value is this, but in this case only we are taking the X direction and Y direction eccentricity over there. For finding out the seismic zone factor and defining the all criteria which is already listed in IS code 1893 part number 1 2002. First thing is that go to the map of India showing seismic zones. We are designing this building for Bangalore city. The Bangalore city which is located in this particular blue zone, and blue zone, the zone type is second type zone over there. Next thing, for zone 2, the first of all we have to find out for zone 2 which is shown in table number 2, zone factor, the value is 0.10. okay, for 2 the value for zone factor is 0.02. so go to the software and change the 0.10, click on 0.10. Site type, for site type see the figure number 2 which is given in IS code. There are 3 type of soil given there: hard soil, medium soil and soft soil. We are going to consider the medium soil and type 2. okay, the type 2 is already selected over here. Then importance factor. For importance factor, go to the table number 6. okay, some important buildings such as hospital, school, the importance factor is equal to 1.5, and all other building the importance factor is equal to 1. Here we are considering the residential building, so we are not considering it is an important building. We are considering it is on all other building, so the value which is equal to 1. Then response reduction factor. For response reduction factor, go scroll down into the IS code, table number 7, response reduction factor. The value ordinary RC moment resistance frame, the value is equal to 3. So go to the software and change the value is equal to 3. Then time period, there are 3 options with us, that is approximate, program calculated and user defined. Here we have to click on the program calculated. For program is going to calculate. okay, click on OK. Then go once again in define, click on load combination. Here load combination is already given over there. okay, dead load, live load, dead load, live load, wind load, dead load, live load, etc. all are the given. If you don't have the load combination over here, seismic 1.5, the value is 1.5 according to the IS code. Then click add default design combo, then click on concrete frame design and then OK. Then click on OK. After defining all the combination and type of dead load, then go to the analyze menu. Here first of all we have to set it. Here in case of designing we are not considering dead load, live load, wind load and seismic load simultaneously. We only have to consider dead load, live load and seismic. For that, here click on wind load and click on the option run do not run option. Then click on run now option. After software requires some times to run the analysis. Okay. After analyzing, we can check the value of shear force, deformation, stresses with the display option with us, but here we don't need, as it is an assignment, we don't need to go and check the values. It requires some times. After analyzing, we can directly get the values on the 3D view tab. Okay, over here UI, UX, RX and RY, that is the reaction, etc. Then next step is go to the design, concrete frame design, view requires preparation, check over IS 456-2000 is okay. Then once again go to the design, concrete frame design, start design / check option. I am very thankful to the Sky-Fi Lab, which gives us an opportunity to perform this course online, and it is very funny to complete the assignment, take the recording and upload it on YouTube. Definitely I am getting some extra skill with this. Thanks for the Sky-Fi Lab once again. One thing that I am going to mention over here, that I have already mentioned number of section over here, because sometimes it may get some problem, such as analysis and design section of differ from meeting concrete frames. So reiterate analysis and design, then click on yes, okay. After complete design, we are getting a detailed report, that is project report over here, and summary report over here. Thank you.